Is Nisa Devgan affected by the virus? The whole world is currently going through a very bad situation because of the outbreak of the deadly virus. The citizens of India are going through a shutdown of 21 days as per ordered by the government. Amidst of all these situations, reports started making headlines about Ajay and Kajol's daughter Nisa's illness. According to reports from famous daily newspaper, Nisa Devgan is affected with the virus. Let us find out in the video. Is Nisa Devgan really tested positive, or the reports were just baseless? Because of the nationwide shutdown for 21 days, just like other people, celebrities are also in their homes. Recently, there were news doing rounds about Nisa Devgan's current health situation. According to the current headlines, Nisa Devgan is tested positive for the virus. It is said that the star kid was rushed to the hospital by her mother Kajol as her health condition was not well. Symptoms like cough, cold, sore throat and pneumonia was noticed in Nisa, so Kajol decided to take her in the nearby hospital. As per the reports, Nisa was in Singapore due to her higher studies. After the breakout of the virus, Nisa decided to return to her country India, so Kajol went to Singapore to bring her daughter back from Singapore. All the people returning from the other countries in India are suggested by the doctors to self-quarantine themselves. As per the recommendation, Kajol and Nisa locked themselves to maintain social distancing. They supported the self-quarantine for the betterment of their health and to avoid the spread. It is said that during this self-quarantine period, Nisa was not feeling well. There were symptoms in Nisa of the virus as she was having high fever along with cold and sore throat. That is why Kajol rushed Nisa to the nearby hospital for a checkup. It was even reported that the doctors kept the star kid under observation. Later, it was revealed that Nisa Devgan got affected with the virus from Singapore. It was also reported that as Kajol was with her daughter, she was also infected. But Nisa's father, superstar Ajay Devgan, took his Twitter handle to reveal the truth. The actor tweeted that both his wife and daughter Kajol and Nisa are totally fine. The actor thanked people for being so concerned about his wife and daughter. Ajay Devgan rubbished all the rumors and called them baseless as they are doing fine. He revealed that the mother-daughter duo just isolated themselves as per the recommendation. They maintained self-quarantine for the welfare of themselves and their family. Nisa is totally fine and their self-quarantine period is also over now, and both of them are doing well. The actor requested all the people to stay at home during this shutdown to curb the virus. The actor has even donated a huge amount of 51 lakh rupees to the Federation of Western India Cine Employees. The actor decided to donate the huge sum of money for the daily wage workers of the industry, because the daily wage workers are currently jobless as the shootings are stopped from the 19th of March. We, the team of Smoky Evening, request all the people to stay safely at home. It is a humble request from our side to you to donate as much as you can for a greater good from us for us. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.